Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you new update that is ongoing on Notcoin. Those that have already farmed Notcoin and you have already claims and trade and cash out your tokens. Here are the reward for you. They are giving out $39 for those that participated for it. Now for you to check whether if you are among, go to your bot on Telegram, open it. It's loading. Now it have already opened the interface. For here, how will you check? Come here, scroll down, you see the last, after the logo of Notcoin for that part, you see 0 USDT. You click 0 here, click it to check if you are qualified for the reward for the $39 they are giving around. After you have shown you something like look like this, come to reward, click on rewards. Now look at my own $39. I qualify for it. Now for you now to claim this thing to be yours, there is procedures for it. Look at what I said here. The clicker clicks convert into not. You have to play game on this before you'll be able to claim it. You cash your money. $39 is a big amount of money. You don't need to miss out on this. Please, if you have never subscribed, before I continue, do well to subscribe and turn your notification bell. Okay, here you're going to look at how to be able to claim this. When it comes here, go back to the first phase interface here. Now you see that in these games you are seeing Notcoin clicker, which they thought that they tell you that before you convert it you have to click so that you can convert your this into coin or the USDT, how you can be able to claim it. Now if you convert, let me go back there so that you understand it step by step. Look at here, come to the reward. They say clicks converted into Notcoin. They will convert it into Notcoin. If you claim it, you can trade it and get $29. Let us go back again. Click here, go to your game. Say that Notcoin clicker. I think you are getting it now. Play it, play the game. Now here I use my own to learn, which I played and the thing was going around. You know, when you mine, if you mine Notcoin, you know that there's something is going to bring to you that you can tap. You will be tapping it. Make sure that you are faster. My own that I'm not faster because I was a kind of trying to know it, to know how the thing works, until they told me that I should try again tomorrow. For you that is watching this video, breaking it down in a way that you understand it so that you cannot make a mistake that I made. Try whenever it opens, make sure you tap. Make sure you be fast enough to tap on it. Okay, you can claim a point. That's how you can do it until you get the last stage of claiming the stuff. It's easy, it's not stressful. Okay, you're not going to pay any charges. Very free. They are giving it out to the community. Please do well. And also, if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and comment any questions you wanted to ask about it, and also subscribe for it. Thanks for watching. On your notification bell. Bye.